Admit it, you crave junk foods even if you know that they are unhealthy. Do you have an idea about the healthy food you are not eating? Let's check out. Before starting our list, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more videos like this. So let's start our countdown. Number 5. Sardine. Sardines are a great source of much needed omega-3 fatty acids. They are highly beneficial in controlling heart disease by preventing blood clots and guarding of arteries. Sardine is a great choice if food in maintaining the bone health. It is rich in essential vitamin D, which improves absorption of calcium and phosphorus. Both these are vital in development and strengthening of bones. Moderate intake of sardines can reduce the development of macular degeneration, a condition found in aged people which led to vein loss. A great food for reducing inflammation and glowing of skin. Number 4. Cinnamon. The anti-inflammatory property of cinnamon can fight against neurodegenerative disease including Alzheimer and Parkinson's disease. Cinnamon is rich in varieties of antioxidants, thereby it can counteract the cell-damaging free radicals. A great solution to those who struggle with diabetes because cinnamon has the power to control the rate of entry of glucose into the blood. The antiviral, antimicrobial and antifungal properties of cinnamon can improve the immunity of the body. Number 3. Broccoli. Broccoli is one of the best cancer-fighting vegetables available in the market. It's an abundant source of a component called sulforaphane, which can effectively fight cancer-causing chemicals in the body. Actually, broccoli can prevent different types of cancer, including liver, lung, prostate, breast, and skin cancer. Zeaxanthin and lutein, these two oxidants present in broccoli, can prevent two main eye diseases, cataract and macular degeneration or blurring of vision. Broccoli is rich in fiber, so this vegetable can prevent stomach disorder and improve digestion. Can reduce allergic reaction as broccoli is a great source of two main anti-inflammatory nutrients called camphorol and isothiocyanate. Soluble fiber in broccoli can reduce the cholesterol level in your body. Number 2. Brussels sprout. Just like broccoli, Brussels sprout also contains sulforaphane compound which we can inhibit the enzyme that causes the development of cancer cells. High amount of vitamin K in Brussels sprout help to improve your bone health. Phytonutrient lutein and zeaxanthin present in Brussels sprout can prevent cataract and macular degeneration. With the high amount of vitamin C, Brussels sprout can keep your immune system strong. Vitamin C also helps to improve the production of collagen, the main structure protein of skin, thereby your skin looks so younger. Glucosinolates, a sulfur-containing component present in Brussels sprouts, aid in detoxifying your body. Number 1. Spinach. Spinach is a rich source of beta-carotene, xanthin and lutein. Eating of spinach ensures healthy eye. In addition, spinach can also prevent irritation to the eyes and age-related macular degeneration. Regular consumption of folate and potassium-rich spinach improves blood flow to brain, concentration and also reduces the risk of Alzheimer. As low in calories and fat, spinach is a good food on dieting. Zinc and magnesium content in spinach offer quality sleep and relaxation of the body. Lutein pigment present in spinach can prevent hardening of arteries or atherosclerosis. High potassium content and low sodium content of spinach promotes balanced blood pressure. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.